Hi everyone! Welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Yulia.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're talking about food and drinks. Apple, coffee. Yes, easy, fun, and very useful for beginners.
That's right. We'll practice simple phrases, short sentences, and real-life examples. You can follow along and repeat with us.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe. That way you'll get more fun English lessons every week.
Okay, let's start talking about food and drinks.
First, let's learn some basic words for breakfast. For example, I eat eggs in the morning.
Good. You can also say, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Let's repeat together. I eat eggs in the morning.
And my quick breakfast is a banana.
Great! Now let's talk about drinks. Common words are water, coffee, tea, juice.
Yes, for example, I drink water every day.
Or I like tea in the morning.
Let's try them again. Repeat after me. I drink water every day.
And I like tea in the morning.
Now, let's make a short conversation you can use at a cafe.
I'll be the customer. Can I have a coffee, please?
And I'll be the waiter. Sure, do you want milk or sugar?
You can repeat, can I have a coffee, please?
And do you want milk or sugar?
Perfect. Now let's talk about lunch. Words like sandwich, salad, soup, rice.
Example, I eat a sandwich for lunch.
Or I like salad with chicken.
Let's repeat them together. I eat a sandwich for lunch.
And I like salad with chicken.
Finally, let's try a short daily dialogue at home.
Me, what do you want to drink?
You, I want juice, please.
Now you try saying it. I want juice, please.
Awesome, you're improving already.
Let's quickly review the phrases we learned today. I eat eggs in the morning. My quick breakfast is a banana. I drink water every day. I like tea in the morning. Can I have a coffee, please? Do you want milk or sugar? I eat a sandwich for lunch. I like salad with chicken. I want juice, please.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing today.
Now, here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite food or drink?
Tell us in the comments, or even better, tell us what time you wake up in the morning.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on Real English Conversation.
Bye for now.